guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I have a special guest. Her name is Erin. Say hi. Hi. I'm going to make satisfying sounds with my new slime. And when I get all my presents, I will show you what I got for my 8th birthday. And that's the crunchy sound. What did you say? Crunchy sound. Yeah, crunchy sound. Wow, that's the big bubble. Do you guys hear it? It smells so good too. It smells like cookies and cream. And Erin will just be in the background, so yeah. And I'm gonna give away the slime. Just type in slime. Whoever types in slime will win the slime. Window. So nice. And it's so nice, and it smells like cookies and cream. What just for a little bit. And if you type, whoever types in slime will win this beautiful slime. Cookies? No, Erin. Why you say cookie? I said cookies and cream. Cookie and cream? Yes. Why do you say that? Because it smells like cookies and cream. Oh. And if on this video, you could comment down below some questions. Comment down below some questions so I can answer them in my next video. So, and type in slime. Type in slime if you want to win this slime. So, that's what I wanted to say from this video. So, peace.